Over to Fox 35, Storm Team meteorologist Kristin Giannas standing by with a look at our weather. Good morning.
Good morning. Happy Wednesday, first day of September. It's a wet start, especially up over North Florida. My friends out in Gainesville, Fox 51 country, you guys know what I'm talking about. We are tracking a lot of action coming in from the Gulf of Mexico and pumping on into central Florida. You can see what's over the northeast. This is what's left of Ida. It's now just a low pressure, but dumping a lot of rain up that way. We have flash flood advisories in effect at this hour. Storm tracker radar is showing everything over the Gulf of Mexico, pumping into Orlando and areas to our north. You can see over Alachua County right now, Gainesville, very heavy rainfall coming down on top of I-75, so drive safe. The rain is now making its way into Sumter County, so our friends out in the villages, everything is pushing from west to east, so taking you up towards High Springs, Newberry. You can see Chiefland, everything moving in from the Gulf of Mexico. There is some lightning embedded in some of these cells here. What went over St. Petersburg about an hour ago out in the Tampa Bay area, some frequent lightning strikes, and that will be the threat as we go through our afternoon with some of these rain bands. They're packing a punch with that torrential downpour, those torrential downpours, gusty winds, and a lot of lightning. 79 degrees, rain-free right now in Volusia County, Daytona Beach, taking you downtown. 80 degrees, south-southwest wind at 7 miles per hour today. With the increase in the cloud cover and the raindrops, we're going to stay in the 80s, and this is a little bit below average for a change. 86 today in Orlando. We'll hold on to 82 degrees up in Alachua County and Marion counties. This is the future clouds and rain forecast, just showing everything pushing on in. As we get towards 11:45, you can see some of the action getting into Orlando, Orange County, and areas to our north. You can see as we head towards 1:32 o'clock, everything will continue. Periods of very heavy rainfall, so we do have some localized flooding concerns. As we get into the overnight hours, things will quiet down. We'll just have mostly cloudy skies, and then tomorrow morning, again, we're going to see another active morning with scattered showers and storms. The good news is we are tracking some drier air pumping into Florida as we get into Friday and this weekend. This is the moisture measure here, and as we hit Friday and Saturday, a lot of dry air working its way into the middle and upper layers of the atmosphere, and that will help lower the rain chance for Labor Day weekend, which is exciting. Taking you over to Tropical Storm Larry. This is way out, closer to Africa than it is to us over the eastern Atlantic Ocean. It's eventually going to be strengthening into a Category 3 hurricane. That's a major hurricane with winds at 120 miles per hour by Monday morning. So the good news is going to be hanging out over the central Atlantic Ocean, still very far away from Florida and from land, which is great news. Now we're looking at Kate. This is what's left of Kate. It's a low pressure just continuing to head north, staying over the open waters of the Atlantic. And then there's this disturbance here that has a low chance of development as we get into the next 5 days. That's according to the National Hurricane Center. We are hitting that peak of hurricane season September 10th. This is the climatological peak, so typically when we see the most action out in the tropics. Our 7-day forecast does show temperatures are going to stay a little below average today and tomorrow, and then back up we go as the rain chance goes down this weekend. 30% chance of rain. Temperatures go up. 91 degrees on Sunday and Monday. Labor Day, 40% chance of rain.